Zoho Creator is a capable low-code platform that lets businesses build data-driven web and mobile apps fast while still offering enough depth for developers to extend functionality with custom code. It shines at rapid prototyping, form-driven workflows, and integrations across the Zoho stack, making it ideal for internal tools, inventory systems, and admin dashboards. The trade-offs are real. The UI customization is limited compared with hand-coded front ends, performance degrades on very large datasets, and API and complex automation documentation can be uneven. So expect occasional support delays and engineering time when you push past standard use cases. If your priority is top speed or speed to value, predictable pricing, and tight integration with other Zoho products, Zoho Creator pays for itself. If you need pixel perfect UX, heavy analytics on millions of rows, or fully bespoke APIs at scale, plan for migration, or a hybrid approach where Creator handles the front end workflows and engineers manage the heavy backend.